So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your, how to edit your gender on your Etsy profile here on Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, go to the top right, press on your account, and then press on view your profile. Then go ahead and press edit public profile right here in the top left. Then once you're here, just scroll down to where it says gender right here. Now you can go ahead and select female, male. I prefer not to say or custom, so whatever one you're looking to add. Go ahead, press on that. Once that is all done, you can go to the bottom, press on Save Changes to save the updated change on your profile. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to update or how to edit your gender on your Etsy profile here on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.